Good morning. Welcome to Lucky Dog Productions. Today we're going to be making chaffles. I've never done these before, so this is going to be an experiment. A chaffle is a cheese and egg waffle. A lot of people have been trying to go keto to find an alternate way to eat bread, something that's like bread without actually having bread. So this doesn't have any flour in it. Now there's lots of different methods for it, but let's just follow along and let's get going. Okay, here's the ingredients for our chaffles. Now this is just the plain basic chaffle. It's I'm using this big waffle iron. I don't have a small one. A lot of people are getting these little ones, mini ones called Mini Dash. It'll make one round waffle, probably about the size of this. Well, I don't have that. I have a big one. So the normal recipe calls for 1 egg and a half a cup of cheese. So since I'm going to make one that fills up 4 of them, I'm going to use double it, 2 eggs and 1 cup of cheese. So that's all it takes for this recipe. Now there's lots of variations. I've been on some groups and things. You can add almond flour, you can add chocolate, cocoa powder, some sort of sweetener, just different things, garlic, different cheeses, however you want. But this is how I'm going to make it today. So, okay. So we're going to start off by putting our eggs in here and whipping them a little bit. So again, this is an experiment, so I've never done this before. My finger, so. So we got the egg whipped up a little bit. Now we're going to add the cheese. Oh, get in there. See how it's looking there? So next thing we're going to do is we're going to put it in here into the waffle. Since I doubled the recipe, I've got my 2 eggs in here and a full cup of cheddar cheese. Now what I'm going to do is put some cheese on here to make it crisper. I've seen some other people do that. Put cheese on first before we put the mix in and let it melt a little bit. It makes it crisper. Okay, I'm going to spray vegetable oil on half so it doesn't stick. And the other side, I'm going to put some cheese on because I've seen it done both ways. So if you put cheese on here, it helps make it crisper. And let this melt a little bit. It's going to help make your chaffle crisper. So we've got it. We're going to have chaffles 2 different ways here. See how it's starting to melt down a little bit? I might have too much there. Let me spread it out a little bit. So, okay. So normally if you would have the little dash thing, you'd put 1/4 of this in your little dash maker here. All right, let's go ahead and try this here. Again, this is an experiment, folks, so if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Get the last of this cheese out of here. We want all this goodness in there. Now we're going to close it for about 4 to 5 minutes. And we'll be back and check on it when it's done. Okay, it's steaming. It's been about 3 minutes, so we're going to check it and see how it looks. So here we're going to open it up. Oh, they're looking brown. I'm going to let them go just a little bit longer, see if they can get a little bit more done. I'm afraid they're going to be runny. Okay, it's been 4 minutes. We're going to open it up and take a look at it. Oh, they look pretty good. Let's see if I can get them off of here. So let's cut them apart a little bit. Some people eat these just plain. Some make them a little more savory with, like I said, adding garlic and different things. Some people make them savory or sweet. So let's, come on, come off of there. This has got a little piece of cheese hooking it together there. Okay, there, I got it separated. All right, now I think I can get it off. They're coming up. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna flip it over so you can see how it looks on the back. See? Made it a little bit crispy here. See, they're a little bit on the soft side, so I'm gonna eat at least one, maybe two, and then save the other two for lunch. Well, that one didn't have any cheese on it. Where'd the cheese go? There's some there, nice. Look at that, doesn't that look good? I'm excited for this. Let's see, funny, that one doesn't have cheese on it either. It's weird, this side disappeared. So it just hit me why there's no cheese on this side. Because I didn't put cheese on that side, duh, Bob told me that. So we put cheese over here and I sprayed this side. So it tells me I'm gonna put cheese as my base because look how nice and crispy that looks. So now we're gonna taste it. Let me just get a little bite here. Get a piece off. Ooh, hot, 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 hot. That's pretty good. That's a thumbs up. Okay, here's my chaffles, my first attempt. Look how crispy they are. This is the side I put cheese on. So this was, I think, a good effort. So if you like it, give us a thumbs up. Please leave any questions or comments down below in the comments section. I invite you to do that. If you're not subscribed, I invite you to hit the subscribe button because we love it. And if you would like to be notified of other videos or recipes or whatever, hit that little bell up top to be notified. So I appreciate you following along, and we invite you to check us out. And happy eating, and we'll see you next time.
If you'd like to support our channel, we have links down below that you can click on. We're an Amazon affiliate. We have stickers available. We have a t-shirt store where you can buy t-shirts and coffee chat mugs, or if you just want to support us, you can support us through the PayPal link. So we appreciate all your help. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.